Authorize the maintenance task by verifying the clipboard. This ensures only qualified personnel handle the robot arm, keeping everyone safe. Isolating energy sources is essential for preventing accidental movement of the robot. Use the lockout tagout procedure to secure the rotational base joint. Rotating the rotational base joint is key to ensuring smooth operation and identifying any potential issues. Make sure to listen for any unusual noises as you turn it. Inspect the lower arm link for smooth movement. It should rotate freely without obstruction to ensure proper functioning. Wrist assembly needs to be tested next. Gently rotate it and check for smooth movement without any resistance. Check the upper arm link for any signs of wear or misalignment, as this is essential for the overall operation and safety of the robot arm. Document the maintenance completion in your records, making sure everything is detailed and accurate for future reference and compliance.